27.
Edward Tag, morning 578 Bravo, localizer established 2430.
575 number 10, good morning to the coast for a Sherry Foxtrot, gets in the runway 12 with the master, taxi there, Lima and runway 12. Parking 12, for the master, Lima and Romeo,
Sorry, vacated at Bravo 1.
You stand 1 Alpha, flight Alpha and Alpha, Echo 1.
I'm sorry, we crossed. Can you say again? Sorry, 7 Lima.
Okay, then, taxi, stand 1 Alpha, flight Alpha and Echo 1.
1 Alpha, Alpha and Echo 1. Sorry, 7.
And then 2027, let's take off from a T4, starts with 230 degrees, 15 knots.
Take off runway 24, 2027.
7561, turn left heading 360, and then to altitude 4,000. Left heading 360, descend 4,000 feet to about the R7561. 006. 861.
Permission increasing to jet 2737 from stand 206 to stand 2020. Major Sub.
Major Sub, what's the best? Push back to 260, push back to space, Quebec, and go right to front.
Push up route to face Quebec, report back Major Sub, Major Sub.
Shall I go there? Major Sub, stand number 25, Alpha and Echo 1. 175 Alpha and Echo 1, shuttle it Romeo.
Okay, and 2584 already is better 1.
Object 2584, thank you, hold yourself 1 on course.